video, I will show you how to erase duplicate photos on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial, guys. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your My Files app on your phone and then click on Analyze Storage, and then we scroll down a bit and you'll see duplicate files. So click into that and just delete all your duplicate files on your phone. At this point in time, there is no select all option, so you've got to do it one by one to delete. So I'm just going to do a few. I've got quite a few, and click on delete, move to recycle bin, and there you go. Just keep doing that all the way down to remove all your duplicate files on your phone. And that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.